Welcome to SAKUNTHALA VURE.
Hi, yes. Next topic, insert tab. Insert tab, tables and types of tables. How to open it? Insert, click table. There have insert table, draw table, Excel spreadsheet and quick tables. These four are explained. These are all types of tables. Types of tables is insert table, draw table, insert a new existing Excel spreadsheet table and quick tables. First one, insert table. Click insert, then select a table. First you selected, drag the mouse and select it in this table. How many you need? Or click table, click insert, select table, then click the insert table. This is second type. See here, click insert, then click table, drag the mouse how many you need. This is here selected. Another one, click insert, then click table, insert the table. Here mention the name. You mention the name. Click table, insert table. In the dialog box came. Here mention table numbers and columns, rows and columns. Click OK. It comes to the table. The next one, draw table. Next one, draw table. Click table, insert and table. Then click the second one step is draw the table. Step 1, table. Then click the step 2, draw table. Once you click the draw table, two menus is extra come. One is design. Design has the table designs are available and the styles of the tables and the table styles options. Header, footer, total row, borders of these, borders columns, borders rows and list columns. And borders also thick type of shading. The shadings also given to the color also. It's the dragon borders colors and pen colors also. This is the design part. The next part is layout. Layout has the insert the above table and down table, right and left tables and properties and view the guidelines. Any one table, inner of the any table you creating on that time you give the view guidelines. Next to spreads, spill to cells. Spill cells means middle of this table you given to the any spills. Spills means given to the heading on the and separately in taken that anyone. That time you send cells only is a spill the table. Still the cells and one is there, still the table is there. If before you creating the merging means what is all the table in the one table is come, and this is called as merging. I given that. Next, height with measurements and data rows. Rows will comes to the middle or left or right and text orientation. It means text your textbooks also. Once you check the textbooks, I think sometimes or first starting it is very big. That time you are using. Next, cell margins, cell given to the any margins and sorting, you know that A to Z. and repeated repeated the header and header rows, and heading rows is repeated, and the same heading repeated to anything. That time you clicking on this, it is the formulas. Next, how to erase the rows also available in the design part. This is the layout part. Those are available in the draw table. Once you given to the clicking on the draw table, it automatically comes to the menu bar. See here, I am given to here insert. You know that I am clicking on that directly draw. In pencil mark is come. Once you draw on here, you know no one is there. View after no menus are there. Now once you drag and drop that, comes to the design and layout part. Observe here. Next, design how many designs you tables styles is there, and header and footers table styles options is there. Next, borders, thick borders you available given to the tables, and how to erase that, how to drag that, and to drag and draw parts of the three is available in the design part. Next, layout part is how to insert the above and below, left, right in the tables, delete the table, and properties of the tables. Properties of the tables means the table given to the left side of margin, and the matter is left side of the margin, left side of the paragraph given to the table, and center of the paragraph given to right, and right around the none given to. Next, rows is height, width. Next, columns also same, increase the width and measure the percentage and centimeters. Next, cells is top, middle and down. Next, title, which title is given that, and description, that title, which title you given, title under you explain which part is the description is the mentioned there, and click OK. Next one, height and width of the cell sizes. These are available in the layout. These all are available in the draw table. Okay. User requirement using the anyone. Okay, spell the table. Tables is building on that. Is a text direction, cells A to Z, all are available in this one. Formulas also available. Okay. The next one is the Excel spreadsheet. How to comes in the Excel spreadsheet. Step 1 is the table, and get the director. Step 2 is the Excel spreadsheets. See here, this is the Excel spreadsheet. Already I am storing here. In this Excel spreadsheet all given to the any conditions in the styles of the cells, formatting, editing of the cells. These are available automatically once you clicking on this Excel sheets. Okay. See here, all of conditional formatting, turn cells types, inserting or deleting, same will all are available in the text Excel sheet, where whatever available in all are comes to here also. We are also creating the one Excel sheet. The fourth topic is how to open the quick table, and last one the quick tables. Quick tables means creating the calendars. Okay. Quick tables are available in the different types of calendars is there. They all are storing ma'am. These are all available in the quick tables. Okay, how to open that, and given to the user information on there. All are available in the quick tables. Okay, this is the step 1, step 2, and the quick tables. Quick tables are using the calendars and any one, and subheading also given to here. Quick tables available here, and clicking on that given to the user information. Please like and subscribe my video. Thank you.
Like a Hellcat.